April, but I'm still uploading videos from last year. I can't get enough of celebrating Christmas here in the Philippines or the holidays. I just want to show you how fun it is with all the food, with all the games, and just all the laughter. So I'm just blessed to be here still in the Philippines. Actually, it's almost 6 months, 5 to 6 months. So I just want to share this to you and hope you enjoy. And this video is just for memories of my family and friends and relatives. So yeah, here it goes. The video. Yeah. Left. The directions on the left. Left. They needed to get an early start to pick the right. Right. Picking the right. 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 Family Christmas tree. Family what? Was all in the door right. Right pa nun. Okay. Yes. Now you know how their story went. Which way did the game go? To the right. The right. And to the left. And to the left. Stop the passing. Oh, Reggie! Here! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Happy birthday, Jesus.
Happy birthday, Jesus! Hi, Mommy! Hi, Papa! Inuman na at kainan.
Baka kasi.
Merry Christmas!